Hello everybody, so today we are going to be unboxing this, which is the Switch Pokemon Let's Go Eevee version. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, I had a major debate with myself if I was going to get the Eevee version or the Pikachu version. Went for Eevee in the end because, well, Eevee's Eevee, and for anyone who doesn't know, I'm a big fan of evolutions. So, yeah, I'm so excited about this. I can't actually have it until Christmas, but, yeah, I'm going to be unboxing it now. So, this is the front. It's so beautiful. Bottom. Everything that is in there. You even get a Pokéball Plus in here as well, which is pretty cool. And then look at how cute this is. That is just the cutest thing in the world. Oh, look at him just playing. Pikachu looks kind of evil, but we can forgive Pikachu that. There you go. The game is actually pre-installed. You don't get a physical copy of it, but you do get the Pokéball Plus, so that is cool. So yeah, let's get it open, I guess. Oh my god, I can't tell you how excited I am. Even like the little tag has got like Eevee and Pikachu on there. How cute is that? Okay. So here we go. Grand reveal. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? So you get the Joy-Cons. This one's the Eevee one, obviously. Pretty cool. I'll actually keep those out. And then this one is the Pikachu. Really nice. So let's look at them both together. So cute. So you have those, and then we have our actual tablet, I guess you'd call it. So there it is. But then the back. Are you ready for the back? Look at that. I've got fingerprints on it already. It just came in from the cold, so like my my warmness is making it condensation kind of thing. I'm talking rubbish, I'm not excited. So you've got like little Pokeballs, and you've got Eevee on this side, a little bit of Pikachu down there. Oh my goodness. How amazingly cute is that? Also has this stand so you can use it out and about. These always strike me as a little bit flimsy, but you know, place to put an SD card in there. I believe these come with like 32 gig of pre-installed storage, so that's pretty good. Test number one. Where I work, I have to test Switches quite a lot, and the Joy-Cons, they sometimes do not stay in. Like, you can just push them out, and it's like a common fault. You're supposed to just be able to press this button on the back, and the Joy-Con will come out. Like, some of them you don't even need to press that, like. But yeah. So I just thought I'd test that before, you know, going any further. So yeah, it all seems good. So that is how the Switch looks by itself. Oh, it's so cute. So let's have a look at everything else in the box. So you've got these, which go onto the sides of your Joy-Cons. So this one's the Pikachu one. I know a lot of people have been putting it with the Eevee one, but just because it's brown, but I've just dropped the Pikachu one. Sorry, the Eevee one. Oh my goodness, hang on. Here we go. So this one's the Eevee one because it is like the colour of the fur around Eevee, so yeah. Pretty cool. Nice little touch. That back. I'm going to leave the Pokeball till last because that's quite cool. Here's your my cable, your C-type plug. And you also have your little controller thing. Pretty good. I think you can like charge your things through this as well, maybe. I don't know. I don't think you can actually. I thought that maybe you could like plug something in and it'd charge it, but no, it just shows you the level of your Joy-Cons. So let's get that back in there. If I can. We have our information. And this is our dock, which is incredible. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Just look at how adorable that is. I'm sure these docks have got thicker. I'm sure they didn't used to be this thick. But, oh my goodness. How absolutely adorable. So you put your console in here if you want to play it on the TV. And then in the back, there is all of these things for USB, HDMI out, and your charger. And then it just kind of just stands there looking all cute. I've legit got fingerprints all over this now. But look at that. How cute is that? So sits in like so. That is seriously too cute, don't you think? Oh my goodness. I'm so scared of it like scratching the screen. But I think that they've now put in like, have they put in like little, I don't think they have. I thought that they put in like little pieces so that it'd stop scratching. But it hasn't. I don't know, maybe I'll need to look into that. See if there's some way of putting some extra padding of some description in there so that it doesn't scratch. Because I know that that is where switches normally scratch, and I don't want it to scratch. Okay, that's as close as I'm going to get to that. So that's that. Then we have our Pokéball Plus instructions. It's a lot of instructions for one Pokéball. Granted, it's in many different languages. So yep, you have that. And then, I can't actually wait to touch this because this is like, I don't know, I've kind of been wondering what it'd feel like in the hand. It's a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be. Like, a lot smaller. So I guess you do this. Oh, I've turned it on. So it's got like a little navigation stick in here. And then button on the top. That's really weird. It feels quite heavy. Very well made, which is of course always a good thing. But it's a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting it to be like actual palm sized. I know this is probably going to be mainly used by kids, but still. I can't wait to get catching some Pokemon with this. And Mario Kart. I cannot wait to get Mario Kart as well because that's like the game that I'm the best at. It's, yeah. No other game can I go online and actually be good on it. Every other game I'm like, no, I cannot do this. So there is the Pokéball Plus going back in there. Pack that back away. Bring this back. I feel like I've not packed this away to the best of my ability. Put that there maybe. Oh my goodness, how have I got this so wrong? Okay, I got this. I totally got this. I don't got this, but it'll have to do. Okay. So let's pack it all back away. This bit of the video is going to be very boring. It's just me packing away a Switch. But yeah, how amazing. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. All wrapped up, back in its box. Okay, so there it is, my unboxing video of the Pokemon Let's Go Eevee Pokemon Switch console with Pokéball Plus. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video and all that good stuff, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Adios!